how AI can help brewing. And I'll tell you, I just need the help. I really do. So, Mark, one of the things that struck me, and I loved your session, you had a huge crowd. Man, everybody was just spellbound.
AI can't taste the beer for you, but what it can do is help you as an expert brewer to become even better. So in our scenario, the AI rescue that I had said I was having difficulty brewing certain beers and certain things were going wrong at the time. And I said, this is what I'm seeing. Do you have any suggestions? And it's all about context, context, context. If you give it the right prompt and you focus it and narrow it in on the subject at hand, you can get some really great results. And you can really just brew better beer through using technology. So I highly recommend.
Well, and you're promising we're going to do a little longer interview. We've got excerpts from his talk, but we're going to do an in-depth interview coming up shortly. You good with that?
I'll see you there.
All right. Well, we're enjoying HomebrewCon in Asheville, North Carolina. It's been a blast. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right.